In this video, I'm going to show you how to put nails in this Porter cable nail gun. So this specific nail gun puts the nails in at a 21-degree angle. So you have to remember to look at what direction your nails go. So this is what the nails look like for this type of gun. And then imagine you're putting them in the slide right here, and they need to be level with the gun nozzle so that when it shoots it straight. If you were to put these in like this, for example, this is upside down, notice how they are not level. So this is going to be upside down. See the difference? So that's probably the biggest thing to look for, is not putting them in upside down. Second thing you need to do is there's a spring trigger. There's a spring button right here. You pull that up. I like to just bring it all the way to the top, and then you feed your nails in. The nail head is going to go right there. Oh boy, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you're feeding the nails in the right direction. I'm going to go ahead and push them down a little bit lower. You kind of just feed them in, and then slide it down. Again, you're going to want to push this spring, get it above the nails, and then let go of it to rack it nice and tight. Spring-loaded pressure will push the nails up as tight as they need to go, and then grab another set. Remember to not put them in upside down. Go ahead and load them in. Hit your spring, lift it above your nails, and then let go to rack it, and then it's nice and tight. And it's really that easy. Then you'll be able to shoot all these nails until you get to like the last 3, and then it'll stop shooting. Hope that video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.